Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. They have for you a 2016 Caterpillar 232D rubber-tired skid steer loader. This machine has cab, heat, air, joystick, 2-speed, power quick attach. Has a heated air ride seat in it with the deluxe panel and backup camera. We did run the serial number. It is a 2016 year model machine. I did call up to our cat dealer here, which is Cleveland Brothers Equipment. Got a full set of factory filters for this machine to change out everything. And we did change engine oil, fuel, air, hydraulic, every filter it called for, including cabin filters, we have changed. We're going to start you right back here in the engine compartment. We're going to take you complete around this machine. In the engine compartment of this machine, it's going to be powered by a Caterpillar C2.2, which is actually, I think we will find that this is a Perkins engine that they use. But it is a C2.2. It is a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine in this, and it does start and run very, very well. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Again, very, very good running working engine. 834 hours, we had changed all the filters. Again, we did also put a brand new battery in this machine. That has been replaced and taken care of. There again, we marked all of our stuff so we knew what we had. Over here in the back door, AC condenser, fuel cooler, everything is over here in the back door. Everything there is in good shape. Overflow jug, you got your little fan there for the AC. And again, it does have the backup camera in it. Front and rear work lights. All the yellow paint's original that we can find, other than a spot up here on a boom that was touched up at one time. Very clean in underneath. 10/16.5 Carlisle tires on it, heavy-duty 10/16.5s, all four match. You can see that it still has little tits on the sides of the tires. The boom is nice and it's straight, and again, all original there, other than we've noticed a couple little touch-up spots here and right down here somebody had done for some reason. Nothing out of the ordinary. Power quick attach, it is does have the actuator in here for electric quick attach, does have auto level. Up here, you're going to have your standard 1/2-inch couplers along with your 14-pin attachment control device. We're also going to show you here it does have a polycarbonate door. Cab is very, very nice and straight. Boom is nice and straight. Inside the cab is very clean. Again, it is a heated air ride seat, high back seat. Hop in here real quick, fire it up for you. Over here you got your wiper, your washer, your park brake, your cab heat air, you got auto level, you can shut your 2-speed on and off, power quick attach, deluxe panel with backup camera, there it is. You can see all the gauges work, 835 hours. We'll go here to events, view active, no active. A lot of good parameters in there, headlights, right there will be headlights on, all the glass in the cab. We'll show you here real quick. 2-speed, there's your rabbit off. Down here is going to be your snail mode, and then we can adjust that to what we want it to be. I'll shut that back off. Alright, I'm going to turn this camera here back over to Braden, my main man, and we're going to go ahead and shoot this video, show you that everything runs and works the way it's supposed to. Here we go. Machine does have extremely good cold air. Again, this does have auto level. I can turn it on there. Bucket. It is a factory cat bucket. It is not original to the machine. The gentleman kept his bucket and put on another track loader. I did put a good cat bucket on it. It is a 68-inch cat bucket. The bucket is in good condition. Not a new bucket. These would have a hydraulically driven fan in them. Very nice little machine. It packs quite a little punch. It's 66 horse. Again, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. That is 2-speed, fellas. 2-speed reverse. boom is not slopped out in any way. And this is going to be a vertical lift path machine. Now there today I'm just using my foot throttle, kind of just going through the motions here. Now, I will go ahead and take through this machine into Snail Mode, and I'll go ahead and start walking it forward, and I'm just going to keep bumping this down. There where it's 7, I'm fully stroked forward. 4. I'll take it reverse, Snail. I'll bump it up here, we're at 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay. So there, we're going to cancel out of that. I'm out of Snail now. I'm going to shut my auto level off. I've had that on. Now I'm out of that. One nice thing in this deluxe panel, you can view a lot of different stuff while you're operating the machine. Again, you can set sensitivities, all kinds of different stuff. Power quick touch, everything there works the way it's supposed to. We'll go ahead, unlatch this. Again, this is an ISO controlled machine. Very nice, very comfortable machine to run. Always make sure you're locked back on. I even have the air on setting 1, which is, man, it gets good and cold in here. Again, nice, clean, honest machine. Again, we did service this. I service everything that we sell before we're selling it, unless it's been otherwise noted. I like to do that so I know what I have. I don't want to put a piece of junk out there in somebody's lap. A lot of guys aren't that way. Very nice, again, running working machine. All the lights work. Cab heat air works. Power quick attach joystick 2-speed, which we showed you. Will come with 2 keys. Very, very good running working machine. Any questions? 814-658-3066. Again, a very, very clean skid loader. Again, 814-658-3066. Always check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you have any questions, let us know. Be glad to help you. If you need freight quote or financing, also let us know on that. Gladly get you in touch with some people to help you out. All right, guys. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.